Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are trying out the Alo Yoga Aloe Soft Sweet Talker tank in the color Winter Ivy. Now I picked up this tank because I was looking for something really easy, really lightweight, that did not have a shelf bra or any additional, configuration underneath the shirt or anything like that. So I just really wanted something really simple, and this seemed to fit the build. Now, I really like the silhouette and I really like the material. The material is Aloe Soft, but it is the new wave Aloe Soft. So if you remember those original Aloe Soft leggings that are kind of heathered, they're not gonna be that heathered feeling. They are going to be kind of like a softer version of the Airlift material. Now the straps are ribbed. They give a good pull, but they're not too constricting. And then you have the aloe hit right in the middle on the back. Now for the silhouette, we kind of almost have a square shaped neckline in the front, but we have a scoop back in the back. Now, I love anything with a scoop back, which you can already start to tell if you are a follower of the Fashion Try-On. And if you're not, go ahead and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any aloe drops. So needless to say, this silhouette had my name all over it, and the Winter Ivy color I thought was really unique and kind of like the color of the season given the craze for Wicked and beyond. Now, trying this on, I picked up the size small. Now, I usually do wear a size small in Aloe, and keep in mind, I do like things to not fit too terribly tight. Now, I will pick up an extra small or even a double extra small if it is a jacket or something like that, but with tops, I like to go with the small for the, coziness. I almost thought that this was a little too small, but I did end up trying on the medium in the store, and it was way too baggy. Now overall, I was a huge fan of the silhouette and the just ease of wearing this item, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.